What's going on, YouTube? This is Preacher. So, I finally got my truck, y'all. Finally got my truck. Yep, sure did. And you know how I ain't want it to be that, what I call puke blue, but okay, it's baby blue. But what they gave me is a 2016 Cascadia Freightliner. Y'all heard it right. 2016 Freightliner Cascadia. Oh. I was tore up at the bottom, tore up at the top. Came with a spare tire that's, I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah. No good. So why do you even keep it on though? I don't know. I don't know. But hey, it is what it is. Ain't gonna complain. All right, man. I'll talk to y'all a little bit later.